One of my subscribers has messaged me a couple of days back telling me about this free website that I shared with you in one of my previous videos, and he was able to use it to generate over $112 in a single day. And in today's video I'm going to share with you a boosted, updated version of this exact same method that one of my subscribers has used to generate over $110 in a single day without investing anything. In this video I'm going to show you exactly what this website is, what CPA offers to use to replicate these same results, and who knows, maybe in a couple of days you will be contacting me with the same results too. But before I show you all of that, I have a huge announcement to make. I'm opening a couple of spots in my one-on-one coaching program, so if you want to learn how to generate over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing completely without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media, and without using this YouTube channel, just go to the first link in the video description, check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you guys, and I hope to see you there. So now just smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and with all that being said, let's move to the tutorial. Okay guys, as I said before, today I'm going to show you how to create a CPA marketing strategy. So first of all, you need to head over to some CPA marketplace that you can start working with. For the beginners, I would highly advise that you go to this website right here that's called CPA Grip. Just go to cpagrip.com, and obviously you need to register for their free account when you are a new person. Once you click on register, all you need to do is just fill in all your personal information as you would for any other website out there. I truly believe you already have some experience with this. The only catch that you may encounter is in this publisher type. What you need to do is select one of these two options, website/instant or GPT. This is to make sure that your account is going to be approved instantly, so you don't have to be waiting for your account to get approved, and you can start making money that much faster. So while registering for CPA Grip, just make sure to select website/instant or GPT, then just fill in the rest of this application form, and in this section where it says where did you hear about us, I would greatly appreciate it if you would write there something like I heard about this website on Andy Caddwell's YouTube channel. It's not a condition, but I would greatly appreciate that. Then just go ahead and check all of these three boxes. I have read the terms, I agree, and I agree. And also guys, make sure you take this to heart. You will not be completing these offers yourself, because if you're going to be promoting CPA offers, you don't want to be completing them yourself. First of all, it's a waste of time, okay? To make some serious money, you need hundreds, if not even thousands of people to complete your CPA offers. And the second thing is, if you get caught doing it, your account will be banned and any money you have made previously will be lost. So just make sure to avoid doing that yourself. Then just click on register now. You will get your account, and once it gets approved, click on login. Once you log into your account on CPA Grip, this is how it's going to look like. First of all, you need to go to this section where it says offer tools, and you need to click on my offers, and you will be taken to this site right here where you can see all the offers, CPA offers that you can promote. By the way, for those of you who do not know, a CPA offer is an offer that you can promote anywhere on the internet, and it requires a small action, for example like filling out a certain captcha or submitting an email address or something like that. It's a very easy offer to complete, and for each of those offers you can get paid anywhere between $1 or a couple of cents all the way up to $3.42, as you can see right here for this offer. Now pretty much CPA offers is one of the easiest way for beginners to make money on the internet, because for example, if you're going to check this one out, you can see that it's like a certain application form, so anybody who's going to apply can win $1,000 credit line. Obviously this offer is only viable for United States, so the only way you can make money with this one is if you're going to be promoting it in United States. And actually you don't need to live in the US yourself to be able to promote this offer. All you need to do is just drive traffic that's going to come from United States to this offer, and they are going to complete it. In this case, all they need to do is just fill in their first name and their last name, and judging by this field right here, they need to submit their email address successfully in order for you to be able to receive $3.42 for each of these submits. Now if you're going to play this right, you can do this very easily, because as you can see right here, there's a chance to win $1,000 of credit line. In these hard times, in these recession times and all that stuff going out in the world, who doesn't want to win $1,000 just for submitting their email address? So pretty much this is how a CPA offer looks like for all of you new people out there. And for everyone who already has some experience with CPA offers, I'm going to reveal to you a secret. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can triple your chance to make some money with this. So just stay tuned, don't skip out yet, because I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All you need to do is just make sure to leave the CPA Grip account open, and you want to go to Google and you want to search for exactly this website. Just type in Webflow, hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website right here that is called webflow.com. This is one of the best landing page builders out there that's completely free, and it's going to look very professional. For some CPA offers, you don't need that much professionality, so you can use just Google Sites to create a simple landing page. But in today's method, I'm going to actually show you an advanced version how to promote CPA offers, and it's important it's going to look somehow professional, because all the beginners out there, they want to make money with this, okay? And when they are going to do this exactly the way I'm going to show you, there's very small chance they're not going to make any money with this. So first of all, what you want to do is just click on Start Building right here. Just go ahead and sign up using either Google or your email address and get your free account. It's very easy. Just type in your email address, create a password, something easy that you can remember, and then pretty much complete this registration process. It's going to ask you a couple of questions. It's nothing complicated. Once you do that, you will be taken to your dashboard, and pretty much all you need to do is just go to this section, click on New Site, or you can either choose a blank website or one of these pre-made templates that are completely free. You can see right here, most of these are free. You can see the sign, it's going to be here. Some of these are going to be paid. If you're going to be doing this professionally, or you want to create a site that's going to be used for different projects, you can just go ahead and purchase a template if you want to pay for something like this. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to do this without purchasing a template. And if you scroll all the way down here, you can see that you got this section where it says free templates. So just simply click on view all right here, and you can scroll all through these templates that you can use completely for free to create a semi-professional landing page. Just go through all of these and pick one that you like the most to use for this method, or you can just simply use the exact website that I'm going to show you. And I like using this one very much for this type of offers because it has a couple of elements that are already there that I'm going to be using, and it's going to save me some time. So just open the template you want to use, click on use for free, and right after that you get to name it something. Now, because this is going to be a CPA offer promotion website, I'm going with something that's so simple like CPA giveaway. Just click on create site after you choose a name, and you get to customize this template however you want to. Now, pretty much all you need to do here is just customize it to something that's going to look like a legitimate giveaway website. For that reason, I'm going to get rid of this headline right away. Also scroll all the way down here, and I'm going to delete this part and this part, this part, this part, because I'm not going to be needing all of these parts. Pretty much all I'm going to use for this site is this background with this title and also these 3 boxes. This is very important because each of these boxes we are going to fill with a CPA offer, and that way we can triple the chance of making some money with this. So pretty much all you want to do here is just, for example, change this title to something like giveaway frenzy, and I'm going to change the font size to something, for example, let's go with 80 pixels. Let's try that. Okay, so it's a little bigger like this. Then just get rid of this button because I will not be using it, and this text right here I'm going to change into something like pick the giveaway that you like the most, or try them all. It is allowed after all. Something that's going to actually entice people to try all 3 giveaways that we are going to create here. Then just move to this section, and pretty much all you need to do is just delete this part, then just get rid of this header right here and change this title into something like choose your giveaway. And now actually comes the part when we are going to embed this site with 3 giveaways from CPA Grip. Just go back to CPA Grip and you want to pick 3 offers that have something to do with giveaway. For example, if I'm going to open this one that I showed you earlier, this is a $1,000 credit card, chance to win $1,000 credit card. So this is something that I would like to use, and for that reason just simply right click this image, click on open a new tab, and it's going to open this image in a brand new tab. Then pretty much what you want to do is right click on it and save it to your computer. Once you save this image, what you want to do is go back to CPA Grip and do this for at least 2 more offers. For example, this one's a chance to win $10,000 right now. I'm going to go with this one as well because it's basically the same thing. People need to submit their email address for you to get paid $2.06. So I'm just going to do the same. Right click, open a new tab, go to this image, save it to my computer, and let's do this for 1 more. I'm going with this Cash App gift card right here. So I'm just going to do the same, click on it, open a new tab, save it to my computer, and then just don't close CPA Grip yet because we are going to be returning it shortly to get the links to these offers. But pretty much all you need to do now is go back to Webflow and you want to change these images. Now to replace these boxes with the images we have downloaded from CPA Grip, pretty much all you need to do is just select these sections, delete each of these, something like this, just hit delete or Ctrl X, then go to this toolbar right here, click on the plus sign, and you want to scroll all the way down until you hit this. All you need to do is just drag the image section right over this text, something like this, and then what you want to do is going to give you this pop-up menu that you can customize this image box. Pretty much all you want to do is just upload the images you have downloaded from CPA Grip, and to do that just click on this cloud button, choose one of the images you have downloaded from CPA Grip, and then just make sure to resize it so it's not going to waste the entire page. It's going to look something like like this. Then what you want to do is go to this text box, drag it right under the image, and it's going to get stretched out like this. But don't worry, because we are going to be fixing it using this slider right on the right side in the toolbar. What you want to do is just select this one, make sure the text is going to be positioned somewhere below the image, then just use this slider right here, just click on it and drag it, so it's going to make the text stay below the image, something like this. Okay, then pretty much what you want to do is just go to the menu and select image again, place it right above this text right here, and do the same thing. Just upload the image, one of the images from CPA grip. Let's go with this one for example, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, something like this. Then just stretch it, something like this. Okay, and do the same thing with the text that we did before. Just place it below this image and use the slider. Actually use the slider to square the text right below this image, something like this. Okay, and adjust the text accordingly. This is pretty much like working with WordPress. If you had any experience previously working with WordPress website builder, this is pretty much the same thing, but it's free and it's somehow a little bit more professional, and you don't have to pay for hosting with this one. And then pretty much do the same thing for this third one, so it's going to look something like this, for example. Then pretty much what you want to do is go back to CPA grip, and you want to copy the headline of this offer, one of these offers that you have chosen, and paste it. For example, it's this Cash App gift card, so I'm going to paste this title right under this Cash App gift card, something like this, and I'm going to do the same for these two as well. So in the end it's going to look something like this. Then pretty much what you want to do is click on this plus yet again and select these columns, place another column right under, and you want to select 3 columns just like this, so you get 3 columns under each of these gift cards. Then just click on this plus and click on button and drag it into each of these sections, so it's going to look something like this. So each gift card is going to have its own button, and then you need to obviously customize them as well. So I'm going to do that real quick off the camera. I don't want to make this video too long, so it's going to look something like this. For example, all you need to do is just name each button something to do with the offer. For example, this one is to claim $1,000, so I name it claim now. This one is to get a gift card, so I name it get gift card, and this one is for enter for $1,000 now, so I name it enter now. Now you guys go ahead and customize this to make it a little bit more professional. I just don't want to be doing this all in the video to make it too long, so I'm just going with this basic template to show you how it's supposed to look like. You need a title with a background, 3 CPA offers from CPA grip, and what you want to do is place button under each of those. Now pretty much all you need to do is select each of these buttons. For example, I'm going with this one first, so it's for this giveaway. I'm just going to click on it and select this gear icon, and you can see that you can paste the link right here. That's going to take anybody who's going to click the button to the link you're going to paste there. So for example, for that, let's go to CPA grip, and for this offer, it's this one right here. I'm just going to copy the link, go back to Webflow, paste it into this section, something like that. Okay, and now this is a clickable button embedded with a link. Do this for each of these buttons. Go to gear icon, go to CPA grip, select the relevant offer. This time it's this one, copy the link, paste it into the button section, and for this one as well, and paste it right there. Now all you need to do is just publish this website, and to do that, just go to this top right corner, click on publish, and it's going to give you this domain right here that's going to be completely free. Simply just click on publish, then click on this icon right here, and it's going to copy the link to this site. So pretty much once you copy the link to this website, all you need to do is just go to one of your favorite link shorteners. For example, I like using bit.ly, and I'm going to show you why. I'm just going to click on create a new link, paste the link to this site right here, and down here I get to customize how it's going to look like. So it's going to be bit.ly/ and I'm going to name it giveaway frenzy or something like that. Then just click on create, and pretty much this is how the link is going to look like. So I'm just going to copy this link, and then you need to drive the most amount of relevant traffic. And then what you want to do is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic from United States to this website. So they are going to be applying for all of these gift cards, and for each of those you're going to get paid a couple of dollars. Now to do that, one of the easiest ways, what you want to do is just go to Google, and you want to hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to one of these subreddits that's dedicated to giveaways. For example, if you go to this one, I've been using this one previously, and I had great results with it because this subreddit is basically filled with people who are looking for some freebies, for some giveaways. And as you can see right here, it's got almost 100,000 subscribers. This time it's called sweepers. On Reddit it's called sweepers, but it's subscribers to this subreddit. And pretty much all you need to do is just click on create a post. Then pretty much what you want to do is click on create a post right here, select link up here, because the rules of this subreddit do not allow text in their post. Then just paste the shortened URL right here, and you want to write into title something like this: found this giveaway frenzy website, check out one of these 3 offers. then just simply click on post right here and it's going to get posted on Reddit. Now if you want, what you want to do is just simply go to your website, to your landing page, it's this one, take a screenshot, just take a screenshot of it and add it to your post to make it more visible. And that's pretty much all you need to do is just go to CPA Grip, register for your account, grab 3 giveaway offers that are on there that you want to go with, create a simple landing page on Webflow completely for free, and you need to share it on some social media that has to do with giveaways. I have shown you how to do this on Reddit, but you can do the same thing for Quora, you can do this on Facebook, basically on any other social media. Just go to the search bar, type in giveaway and post your link to your website in the giveaway group or in the giveaway section. Now your website is going to get traffic, they're going to start applying for these giveaways, and for each of those you're going to get paid a couple of dollars. For example, in these offers it's between $2 to $3, so if you get like 10 to 15 people there an hour, you're going to be making $30 to $50 on complete autopilot. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. Now if you want to learn how I'm making over $6,000 per month without showing my face anywhere on the internet, just check out the first link in the video description. Other than that, if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here, and I'm going to see you next time.